Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. It is a swipe and spin canyon pour, and I've been really loving doing these gradient swipe and spins lately. I did a purple to pink one and I did a metallics one, and so I decided why not do a blue one. So yeah, really loving how this turned out. As usual, the formula and the colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.